All right, you guys, that was one package of my Pillsbury Grand Flaky Layers, right, on my grease 13 by 9. I'm gonna go ahead and just push these down so they're a nice thin layer. They are gonna expand like crazy, but the thinner we get them, the better, so that they're not too big in our pan. Okay, beautiful. That looks just about right. Now this is a dessert, so our next ingredient is gonna be perfect for this. We have some Skippy peanut butter, and this is the creamy kind. And I'm gonna go ahead and I melted this a little bit, so we're gonna drizzle it right on top of those biscuits. And I know this might seem a little weird, but once you see it all come together, you're gonna really love what I'm doing. Just do a nice drizzle. We don't need too much. Just kind of get those biscuits nice and covered. Ooh, it smells so good. All right, so we used about half of this 28 ounce jar. I'm gonna just go ahead and grab my spatula and just kind of really make sure those biscuits are covered in peanut butter. Ooh, smells so good. I'm sorry guys, I just really love peanut butter. I know the biscuits aren't cooked yet, but that peanut butter smells incredible. Now I'm coming in with some strawberry Smuckers. Now, if you do not like strawberry jam, you can use whatever flavor you like, but I really love strawberry, so that's why I went with the strawberry, and we're just doing a nice squeeze. This is my peanut butter and jelly dessert, and it is phenomenal. Peanut butter and jelly is not just for lunch, okay? That looks so good. Okay, once we have a good layer of the strawberry jam, we're gonna kind of just like blend that in with the peanut butter. Get a nice little marble between the peanut butter and the jelly. Oh my, the jelly smells really good too. Beautiful. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and grab that other package of Grand's biscuits. Open this baby up. And we are gonna go ahead and grab our biscuits. And before we lay them out, we are gonna flatten them just oh so lightly and put it right on top. Almost like we're making a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, but this is gonna be so much better than that. Oh my. Now you can use whatever jelly you like. You could use some cookie butter instead of peanut butter. This dessert is totally customizable. I think cookie butter and then the grape jelly would be a great combination, but I wanted to keep it more classic with the regular peanut butter. Oh, but strawberry jelly, I mean, it's gonna be hard for me to pick something other than strawberry jelly because it is my favorite. It's almost like we're making some, homemade Uncrustables, but for desserts. Okay, almost done here. Just use all 8 of those biscuits that come in that package so that each biscuit is kind of made into a sandwich. One more. Okay, so we use 2 Pillsbury biscuit rolls and then the peanut butter and the jelly, just those 3 ingredients. And this is ready for the oven. Okay, my oven is set at 350 and this is gonna cook for like 22 minutes. Oh my, this smells so good. My whole house smells like peanut butter and jelly. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and top this with some powdered sugar to make it a true dessert. Woo, look how pretty that makes it. Oh my goodness. Obviously you could eat this as a lunch, but personally this is gonna be my dessert because I love the sweetness of the jelly. Perfect. Okay. Now you're just gonna go ahead, those flaky layers. Oh my goodness, it doesn't get any better than this. Right underneath there. Oh my, that looks so good. Oh my God, it looks like a peanut butter and jelly donut. Those biscuits are cooked perfectly. Get a nice piece with all that jelly and that peanut butter. This is gonna be good, you guys. It's gonna be hot, so blow on it. That is incredible, you guys. Oh my, you have to try it.